downtown Newark. Oh, it's really windy, guys. Captain said it's going to be a really bumpy landing. United aircraft. Now there's one taking off or something. Oh, just landed. Yeah, look, there they go. They're taking off.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a Captain 03 of the gentleman cockpit. Cabin staff, everyone United Airlines partners would like to welcome you to Newark Liberty International Airport. Local time is approximately 7:10 p.m. For your safety and comfort, the safety and company of the customers seated around you, please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened. We have safety marking key. Captain 01 indicates by turning off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your indication it's safe to get up and about. Collect your personal items, your overhead bins, underneath your seat, your coat closets. Please remember to take all of your personal items with you as this will mark the conclusion of United Airlines Flight 87 today. We'll be met here in Newark by uniform United personnel. They'll be located just outside the air bridge. They'll be able to assist you with any connections you have here, directions to ground transportation, or answer any other inquiries. Please have your arrival documentation completed in entirety in your hand along with your passport for the immigration officials. After you've cleared immigration, you'll take the escalator down into the customs hall. There you must collect all of your checked baggage. Newark is the first port of entry into the United States. Everyone must present themselves with all their belongings. You are sitting on another United flight today, approximately 30 yards to your left. After you exit customs, they'll take your checked baggage from you, place it on a respective aircraft for you, and check your bags back in. If you're making a connection, please check the monitors. If you're going to be A or C concourse, you will need to take the air tray. It has been our pleasure serving this flight today from the Shanghai area. Hope you have a pleasant stay here in the New York City area or a pleasant stay at your destination. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Alright, I'm going to stop 4K videoing because my phone's getting too hot.
工作人员欢迎各位抵达纽瓦克自由国际机场。现在是当地的时间傍晚7点10分。飞机上的滑行中，为了你的安全，
United Airlines 777-200 landing from Shanghai to Newark.
下飞机之前，请